On the left-hand side, go to Uploads, then click Record Yourself, and then click Record a Talking Head. Go to the top right corner and click on Settings. You have three options. You can either record your camera, you can record your camera and screen, or you can just record your screen itself. So if you're using a laptop or desktop, I'm using a PC laptop right now, Canva will automatically resort to the default camera and the microphone that comes with your laptop or desktop. You can change the camera settings here. Same thing with the microphone. If you're recording a tutorial like I am right now, you can switch this over to camera and screen. So you have the options to either record the tabs, so you can select one of these tabs here to record. You can select a window, or you can select the entire screen. So let's say, for example, I just want to select this window, and I'm going to select this window right here. I can select share. And then once that's done, I can hit record. Canva will start the countdown, and then this part of the video will automatically start recording. When you're finished recording, you can hit the pause button here. You can either continue recording or you can just press done. And if you do not like the recording, you can come over here and delete the recording and start over again. So I'm just going to click done here. Then after that's done, I can come over to here at the top right corner, select save and exit. And now notice on the left-hand side, my video is uploading to Canva. So if I go back and I click on videos, my video that I just recorded shows up here. And then I can start editing this video around. And this part right here is the voiceover. So if you want to edit both, you can select both and hit Shift on your keyboard so that you can select both the video and the voiceover, and you can start trimming or splitting things up and either adding or removing parts that you don't want from the video. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.